హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు భువికా స్టడీస్. మనం వచ్చేసి ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో టాప్ మోస్ట్ 100 రిపీటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనమాట గ్రూప్ డీకి సంబంధించి స్టాటిక్ జీకే. సో ఈ వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి, ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకండి. ఓకే, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్, మనం డైలీ జీకే వచ్చేసి 10 o'clock మార్నింగ్, జిఎస్ వచ్చేసి ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ 2 o'clock, కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ వీక్లీ అనమాట, అది మనం సండే మాత్రమే అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఎవరైనా కానీ ఇప్పటి వరకు టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ని బై చేయకపోయింటే ప్లీజ్ బై చేయండి. మనకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చేసి 399 రూపీస్కే 2500 క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే ఈ బుక్తో సహా మనకు ఇయర్లీ పాస్ అనేది వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతోంది. సో ఇందులో మీకు తెలుగులో కూడా ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి, అలాగే కొత్తగా ఫుల్ మాక్ టెస్ట్లు కూడా వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మీరు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ కోసం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళక్కర్లేదు, జస్ట్ మీరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో జాయిన్ అయితే చాలు, మీకు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ కూడా మీకు అవైలబుల్లో ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్స్ కూడా తెలుగులోనే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో లింక్ అనేది కింద నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇచ్చాను. ఆ లింక్ ద్వారా కానీ మీరు జాయిన్ అయితే మీకు 30% డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది వాళ్ళు మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, ఆలస్యం ఎందుకు, కింద లింక్ ఉంది, జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, సో ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ 100 రిపీటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ స్టాటిక్ జీకేకి సంబంధించి మనం ఈ వీడియోలో చూడడం జరుగుతుంది. సో వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి, ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకండి. ఎవరైనా కానీ మన ఛానల్ మొదటిసారి విజిట్ చేస్తుంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, పక్కన బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్ నోటిఫికేషన్ ఆన్ చేసుకోండి. మేము పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో రావడం జరుగుతుంది.
Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss all the important questions from GK that you can definitely expect for upcoming exam like SSC as well as railway exam. Okay, so let's begin this session. So the first question is, what was the first digital village in India? And it was Akodhara. The first animal to go into space is dog Laika. The first Indian Governor General of India is C. Rajagopalachari. The first Mughal emperor was Babur. The first president of USA was John Hanson. The first woman president of India is Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, and the first woman prime minister of India is Indira Gandhi. The first king of India is Chandragupta Maurya, and the first astronaut was Yuri Gagarin. The first attorney general of India is Motilal Sitalvat. The first American president to visit India is Eisenhower. The first president of India who died while in office was Zakir Hussain, and the first prime minister of India is Jawaharlal Nehru. The first astronaut to walk on the surface of moon is Neil Armstrong, and the first astronaut of India is Rakesh Sharma. The first army chief of India is Field Marshal Cariappa, and the first president of America is John Hanson. The first British governor general of India is Warren Hastings, and the first bank to introduce check system in India is Bengal Bank in 1784. The first Bharat Ratna award was received by C. Rajagopalachari. The first Viceroy of India was Lord Canning. The first Battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1526, and the first captain of Indian cricket team is C.K. Naidu. First Indian to swim across the English Channel is Mihir Sen. The first Election Commissioner of India is Sukumar Sen, and the first Chairman of Planning Commission of India is Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Chairman of Rajya Sabha is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. First President of Indian National Congress is W.C. Banerjee, and the first Chairman of ISRO is Vikram Sarabhai. The first Deputy Prime Minister of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Dalit President of India is Raman Narayan. The first Defence Minister of India is Baldev Singh. First man to climb Mount Everest twice is Nawang Gambu. The first Indian pilot is J.R.D. Tata, and the first bank in India is Bank of Hindustan. The first Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission is Gulzarilal Nanda, and the first Election Commissioner of India is Sukumar Sen. The first Education Minister of Independent India is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The first Emperor of India is Chandragupta Maurya. First woman airline pilot is Durga Banerjee. The first Governor General of Bengal is Warren Hastings, and the first Guru of Sikh is Guru Nanak. First Health Minister of India is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, and the first Home Minister of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Indian to go into space is Rakesh Sharma, and the first IAS officer of India is Satyendra Tagore. First Indian to climb Mount Everest is Avtar Singh Thima, and the first Indian to win an Oscar is Bhanu Athaiya. First Indian governor of RBI is C.D. Deshmukh. The Metro Man of India is called E. Sridharan. The first Indian to win a Nobel Prize is Rabindranath Tagore. First person in space is Yuri Gagarin, and the first woman in space is Valentina Tereshkova. First judge of Supreme Court of India is Harilal Kania, and the first Jananpith Puruskar winner is G. Sankarakuru. First judge of High Court is Laila Seth. First bank to introduce ATM in India is HSBC Bank in the year 1987. First Bank of India is Bank of Hindustan. The first King of England is Egbert. First bank to introduce check system in India is Bengal Bank in the year 1784. The first Law Minister of India is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. The first Lok Sabha Speaker is Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. The first leader of opposition in Lok Sabha is A.K. Gopalan. The first man to land on moon is Neil Armstrong. First man to climb Mount Everest is Edmund Hillary. And the first Mughal emperor is Babur. The first Muslim president of India is Zakir Hussain. The first Mughal to prohibit sati system is Akbar. And the first Nawab of Bengal is Murshid Quli Khan. The first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna is Mother Teresa. The first nurse is Florence Nightingale, and the first National Security Advisor of India is Brijesh Mishra. The first Nobel Prize winner in physics is Wilhelm Röntgen, and the first national ruler of India is Chandragupta Maurya. The first Nizam of Hyderabad is Asaf Jah, and the first poet of India is Rabindranath Tagore. The first Oscar winner from India is Bhanu Athia, and the first Olympic winner is James Connolly. The first owner of Kohinoor Diamond is Kakatiya dynasty, and the first president of independent India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first railway minister of independent India is John Mathai, and the first recipient of Paramveer Chakra is Major Somnath Sharma. The first ruler of Slave dynasty is Kutubuddin Aibak, and the first ruler of Delhi Sultanate is also Kutubuddin Aibak. The first Roman emperor was Augustus, and the first ruler of Mughal Empire is Babur. The first Secretary General of UNO is Traigwe Lai. The first Speaker of Rajya Sabha is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The first test tube baby was Louis Joy Brown, and the first teacher of India is Jyotirao Phule. The first Vice Prime Minister of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the first Vice President of Independent India is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the first voter of India is Syam Saran Negi. The first Muslim President of Indian National Congress is Badruddin Tayabji, and the first bank to introduce internet banking is ICICI Bank. The first woman governor of India is Sarojini Naidu, and the first Muslim woman ruler in India was Razia Sultan. First woman to get Ashok Chakra was Nirja Bhanot, and the first president of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first session of Indian National Congress was held at Bombay. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.